All right, we are live. Let's get it. Sunday, Forex weekly analysis here. Whoop, come on. Okay. Time to go ahead and share my screen. All right, so let's hop into here. I had some lines set up here. The plan right now is to, since the dollar was pinned back down back to 96, 96.92. It was going really strong for last week, from Monday through Thursday, and then Friday got pinned back down. So since the dollar is under 97, I'm looking for it to sell back for this upcoming week here, and maybe for the next couple of weeks, depending on how strong the sell is and the trade uncertainty that's happening right now, and along with the Federal Reserve. So there's a lot of uncertainty going on with Trump and the trade talks with China. There's a lot of optimism for that. That's going good. So obviously, if they're not bringing any more, if they're not putting more tariffs, then that means that, you know, the economy, the GDP for the United States isn't going to be as high as it was. So that's something to pay attention to for this week. So we'll see what happens along also with the I know Wednesday we have the FOMC minutes, and this relates back to what the Federal Reserve is planning on doing for the upcoming months here. So, and then I'm going to see if there's anything else that's really important else that would probably stand out. Like I said, Wednesday will probably be the big day since it's FOMC minutes, and then you got the RBA meeting minutes that starts for the Reserve Bank of Australia on Monday night for Tokyo sessions. So other than that, there's really not a whole lot of high impact news that I'm really focusing on this week. So like I said, if I'm going to sell the US dollar, then obviously I'm going to be buying, I'm going to be buying other pairs against the dollar. Like I would buy gold. I would buy, like, gold did a massive pullback going back up. It got pinned all the way back down to 13 off this wick, like 1303, 1302. And so these two pin bars at the bottom create that double support line at 1302 here, 1303. So looking for gold to actually shoot even higher this week. And then I'd be looking to sell, like I said, I'd be looking to sell USD/JPY based on what I'm seeing right now, So that means, like I said, if I'm going to sell the dollar this week, then the plan is to just keep selling the US dollar. So, and then whatever is like USD/JPY, USD CAD, USD Swiss franc, selling that. And I would be buying euro, I'd be buying the pound, I'd be buying Australia and New Zealand and gold. So very, very basic principle to follow, those that follow the US dollar. So that's my go-to. And like I said, not everything follows the US dollar, when there's a lot of activity going on with one certain currency. So always make sure you know what's going on, especially with the pound, the Brexit negotiation and the deals is coming up in I think in less than 2 weeks that deal is coming up. So we'll see what happens with the pound. If there's any more uncertainty or if there's any more negotiations before that. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. And I know it's a quick rundown, and I try to make things as simple as possible for those that are watching this. And so that's it. So that's my point of view. That's my perspective for this week for trading Forex. Like I said, you don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to follow every single thing that I'm doing, but always make sure that you do your own due diligence and your research and your own analysis if you decide, to hop in on, the same thing I'm doing. So always do that. No ever, my analysis could be totally wrong, So I'm not, like I said, I'm not a magician or like a guru wizard or something that automatically can tell you the future of Forex. So I'll just be honest about that. You know, we base a lot analysis on there based on fundamentals and technical, and then you could be right, you could be wrong. That's what it comes down to. It gives you a 50-50 chance, you know. So, or you can go gamble at the casino, play your odds over there too, I guess. Well, that's it, guys. Have a great week. Like I said, have a great week of trading Forex. And I think that's. Oh yeah. Well, me and my group we're doing the flipping tax season flipping for this week. Well, for the next 3 weeks, starting tomorrow and all the way to the end of March 8th. So that is my plan. The plan for me, for my goal is to turn $321 into 30,000 in in 3 weeks by March 8th, starting tomorrow and all the way till March 8th. So that is my goal. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.